Hi there! This is our 16-lane tablet capsule counting and bottling line. The max output is 70 bottles per minute. Bottle unscrambler with Siemens PLC system, easy operation. Automatically remove the reversed bottles and efficiently transfer the upward bottles to the conveyor belt. You can choose the lifting loader to reduce labor and improve production efficiency. Automatic counting and bottling machine to count tablets and capsules and more, fill them into bottles. Counting accuracy exceeds 99.8%. With pneumatic bottling, the production capacity is 30% higher than the old model. High-precision checkweigher can ensure the accurate product quantity in each bottle. Are you worried about the bottle cap being damaged or scratched when screwing it on? Our screw capping machine is your great helper. It can better protect bottles and caps, and can also be applied to aluminum caps or large-sized bottle caps. If you are looking for a more efficient and stable solution for counting and packaging, please contact us.